digital and visual media to this particular meet. I also welcome members on the dais, Dr. PHM MD, PDG Dr. Devdas Rai, our President-elect Rotarian Bhaskar Rai Katta, Community Service Director Rotarian Jackson Sardana. The press meet today is regarding free ear checkup camp that will be conducted by Rotary Club of Mangalore Central along with Besant Women's College and Team Ishwar Malpe on 25th May 2025 at Besant PU College around 9 p.m. The press media, print media and visual media, including digital media, have supported the Rotary organization along the years. This year camp is free of cost, and we want more and more media coverage so that children or senior people who are having these ear issues can be treated free of cost. I think even machines will be sponsored free of cost to some of our donors. So I request all your support and I welcome all of you. I hand it over to Dr.